So we've added the form in the complete profile.php for the user, which have fields for email, first name, last name, email, profile image, gender, and about me. So what we are going to be doing right now is we are going to create a table in the database that we hold all of this data when the user submits the form. So we go to the localhost, or you can just type localhost/phpMyAdmin. But from localhost, which will take you to the dashboard, you click on phpMyAdmin. So it will take you to the database. We're going to create a table with about 8 fields, and inside that we have the user ID, which will allow us to have a connection between the sign up table and the user table and the profile table for each user. So we're going to call the table profile. Then it's going to have about, let's say, 8 fields. Then we'll click on go. So wait for it to load. After loading, then we'll start filling out this. The first thing we need to add is the ID. So this is the ID. Whenever a user adds a new profile, that user will have an ID. It's going to be a type integer, length, we'll just add 11. Then we'll click on the auto increment. Then we'll click on go on this. So whenever a new data is added, the value will be auto incremented. And the next thing is going to be the user underscore ID. So this user underscore ID will be the ID of the user inside the sign up table. So if a user creates a new profile, the ID of the user inside the sign up table will be added to this profile table. It's going to be an integer, also 11. Then the next thing we need to add is add first name. We call it varchar, get it 255. Last name, varchar as well as 255. Email, varchar 255. We can say gender, varchar. Instead of having varchar, we can just have this as enum. We have this as enum, and it's going to be either male or female. So these are just the 2 values we are adding here, male or female. Then the next thing is going to be what I call intro, which is just going to hold the about me, the description of the user. So we're going to add this as text. Then the last thing is, you can say date, time, which is going to be date. So these are the fields that we're going to have here. We also need to include one field, so we can do that. Let's save this. Let's save this table that we've created. We go back to the table. We need to add one more field that is going to hold the image of the user. So we can add that after the intro. So we click on after intro. We're adding just one. Then we click go, which is going to be image. We can create this as varchar 255. Then we click on save. Now if we click on the structure, we see all the columns we have inside the profile table. The ID, the user ID, the first name, the last name, email, gender, intro, image, and the date. So what we're going to do next is, in the next video, we're going to first of all get the data of the user from the sign up table. We're going to get the first name, the last name, and the email. So it will be automatically added when the user clicks on this page. It will be pre-filled with these fields will be pre-filled with their respective data for the user. So I'll see you in the next video.